Hello, I'm gonna show you how to get 1 million views instant. Watch this. First you click on your video, then you pause it so you don't want it to annoy you. Then you right click here and press this button that's called Inspisere Element in the region. When you click here, you double tap here and you write how many views you will have. I want 100,000. Now 1 million. 1 million views. Look, when I cross out this, 1 million views. That's amazing. This is my work, so don't copy. If you want to copy, you have to have my name in the beginning. Goodbye.